Hi guys, it's Jay from Blue Team Homewatch serving Naples and Collier County in Southwest Florida. Today I'm putting together a series of videos with the hopes of helping the seasonal homeowner as our season winds down here in Southwest Florida and they prep their homes for their travels back up north for the summer. The end goal of the video series is to help the homeowner get some ideas and some tips that we have learned that will help them have the best possible outcome when they return for season. With the home watch industry, we, as professional home watch providers, receive training, certification, and continuing education to help build our knowledge base and our network so that we can help mitigate a lot of these issues while you're away. So that's why it's absolutely imperative that you hire a professional home watch individual or company to watch after your home while you're away, because hiring the next door neighbor or the hobby home watcher is just a recipe for disaster. The number one threat to your home while you're away is fire. The number two threat to your home is water damage. The number three threat to your home is humidity issues and mold. And the number four threat is crime, being theft, vandalism, trespassing, you name it. If you're not there, then your home is vulnerable. And as a 26-year retired law enforcement veteran, this is an area that I'm intimately familiar with. So watch the videos, and if there's anything that I leave out, please feel free to comment below, because I'm sure there's people in here that have learned a whole lot more tips than I've even put out that'll be helpful to someone else. So if you like the videos, like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video.